You are audible.
Okay, thank you. So we'll start with the Mangalam to the Guru. गुरुरेव गतिर्गुरुमेव भजे गुरुनैव सहास्मि नमो गुरवे न गुरोः परमं शिशुरस्मि गुरोः मतिरस्ति गुरौ मम पाहि गुरो. Before we start with the dhyanam, I would like to all to visualize the Rupam, the form of Lalita Parameshwari, and meditate upon her for few seconds. Okay. So, Sarvebhyah Swagatam. So what we will do today is we will do a chanting of what we learned yesterday first, and then we will learn the chant the new shlokas. So yesterday there were a lot of questions regarding the course material and the access to the presentation, the script basically in various languages. I request all of you to check the course page on Vyoma Linguistic Labs Foundation, that is sanskritfromhome.in page. So the content, the course content with syllabus has been uploaded there. In case if you have any difficulties in accessing that, please feel free to contact us. So with this, we will start with the dhyanam. Sindurarunavigrahan trinayanam manikya-maulispurat taranayakashekharam smitamukhimapinavakshoruham पाणिभ्यामलिपूर्णरत्नचषकं रक्तोत्पलं बिभ्रतीं सौम्यां रत्नघटस्थरक्तचरणान् ध्यायेत् परामम्बिकाम्. So yesterday we completed 3 shlokas. So I'll be chanting all the 3 shlokas, 3 verses. ॐ श्रीमाता श्रीमहाराज्ञी श्रीमत्सिंहासनेश्वरी चिदग्निकुण्डसम्भूता देवकार्यसमुद्यता उद्यद्भानुसहस्राभा चतुर्बाहुसमन्विता रागस्वरूपपाषाढ्या क्रोधाकाराङ्कुशोज्ज्वला मनोरूपेक्षुकोदण्डा पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारुणप्रभापूरमज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला. So we'll start with the 4th verse today. I'm getting few messages that you are not able to see the screen. Are you able to see the screen, Prithvi?
No, ma'am. It's not shared, I think.
Okay. Now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, right. Okay, so this is the 4th verse of Lalita Sahasranama. If you notice, there I have underlined these 2 lines in this verse, which means this entire line, the first line, is one name of Lalitambika. So it has to be chanted together. Again, the second line is one name. So it is one complete name. We can't split and chant while chanting the Sahasranama. But for the initial learning sake, I will try to split and chant it for the first 2 times, and then we will try to chant it together. Prithvi, you can repeat after me, please. Champaka shoka
चम्पकाशोक चम्पकाशोक
पुन्नागसौगन्धिकलसत्कचा
पुन्नागसौगन्धिकलसत्कचा पुन्नागसौगन्धिकलसत्कचा
कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी
कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी
कनत्कोटिरमण्डिता
कनत्कोटिरमण्डिता कनत्कोटिरमण्डिता.
So in this, if you see, the Mahapranakshara here is dha. So Champaka, Shoka, Punnaga. So the double nakara is there. Punnaga, Saugandhi, na and dha. Both should be pronounced. Kalasat Kacha, Kuruvinda Manishreni, Sha and Ra, Refa, Shreni, Dirgha is there. Dirgha Swara is there. E Kara. Kanat Kotira Mandita. So I will chant the entire line now. चम्पकाशोक पुन्नाग सौगन्धिकलसत्कचा
चम्पकाशोक पुन्नाग सौगन्धिकलसत्कचा चम्पकाशोक पुन्नाग सौगन्धिकलसत्कचा
कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कनत्कोटिरमण्डिता
कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कनत्कोटिरमण्डिता कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कनत्कोटिरमण्डिता.
Now the entire verse. चम्पकाशोक पुन्नाग सौगन्धिकलसत्कचा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कनत्कोटिरमण्डिता
चम्पकाशोक पुन्नाग सौगन्धिकलसत्कचा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कनत्कोटिरमण्डिता चम्पकाशोक पुन्नाग सौगन्धिकलसत्कचा कुरुविन्दमणिश्रेणी कनत्कोटिरमण्डिता. We can't hear you, ma'am.
Now, okay. So we are in the 5th verse. In this verse, there are many Mahapranaksharas and also Sha and Shakara. The Shakara is also there. So we will just look at those letters first. Ashta, Shakara, Shanmukha Sha, Murdhanya Sha. Ashtami Chandra Vibhraja. Here Bha is a Mahaprana. Ashtami Chandra Vibhraja Dalika Sthala. Tha is a Mahaprana. Shobhita Bha is a Mahaprana. Mukha Kha is a Mahaprana. Mukha Chandra Kalanka Bha. Again Bha is a Mahaprana. Mriganabhi. Again Bha is a Mahaprana. Visheshaka. So this is Sha and this is Sha. Visheshaka. Okay. So I'll split and teach for the for time being. But this is again one name of Shri Mata Lalitambika, so which has to be chanted together. Almost till 35th verse, it's going to be long names. After that, there are very simple and small names which we will come across. Ashtami Chandra Vibha.
Ashtami Chandra अष्टमी चन्द्र
विभ्राजदलिकस्थल
विभ्राजदलिकस्थल
शोभिता अष्टमी चन्द्र विभ्राजदलिकस्थल शोभिता
अष्टमी चन्द्र विभ्राजदलिकस्थल शोभिता अष्टमी चन्द्र विभ्राजदलिकस्थल शोभिता
मुखचन्द्र कलङ्काभ मृगनाभि विशेषका मुखचन्द्रकलङ्काभ मृगनाभिविशेषका अष्टमी चन्द्र विभ्राजदलिकस्थल शोभिता मुखचन्द्रकलङ्काभ मृगनाभिविशेषका
अष्टमी चन्द्र विभ्राजदलिकस्थल शोभिता मुखचन्द्रकलङ्काभ मृगनाभिविशेषका अष्टमी चन्द्र विभ्राजदलिकस्थल शोभिता मुखचन्द्रकलङ्काभ मृगनाभिविशेषका
Again in this two names, Vadanasmara Mangalya Grihatorana Chillika. Here, Chillika, Vaktra, Ka, Tha and Refa. Vaktra, Lakshmi, Parivaha, Chalan, Meenabha, Lochana, Lochana, Chillika, Dirgha. Bha is the Mahaprana. Prithvi, Vadanasmara.
वदनस्मर
Mangalya Vadanasmara Mangalya Gruhatorana Chillika Vadanasmara Mangalya Gruhatorana Chillika Vaktralakshmi Parivaha Chalan Meenabhalochana वक्त्रलक्ष्मी परिवाह चलन्मीनाभलोचना
वक्त्रलक्ष्मी परिवाह चलन्मीनाभलोचना वक्त्रलक्ष्मी परिवाह चलन्मीनाभलोचना
वदनस्मरमाङ्गल्यगृहतोरणचिल्लिका वक्त्रलक्ष्मी परिवाह चलन्मीनाभलोचना
वदनस्मरमाङ्गल्यगृहतोरणचिल्लिका वक्त्रलक्ष्मी परिवाह चलन्मीनाभलोचना वदनस्मरमाङ्गल्यगृहतोरणचिल्लिका वक्त्रलक्ष्मी परिवाह चलन्मीनाभलोचना.
Tamam. Next one. Here, Nava Champaka Pushpabha. Sha, the half sha here is should be pronounced as sha. Then Pushpabha, bha is a Mahaprana. Nasa Danda Virajita. Tara Kanti Tiraskari. Nasa Bharana Bhasura. Bha is a Mahaprana. Again, bha is a Mahaprana. This is it. Here we have a Didgha, bha. So, Vibha. Navachampaka Pushpabha.
Navachampaka Pushpabha. Navachampaka Pushpabha.
Nasa Danda Virajita.
Nasa Danda Virajita. Nasa Danda Virajita.
Navachampaka Pushpabha Nasa Danda Virajita.
Navachampaka Pushpabha Nasa Danda Virajita. Navachampaka Pushpabha Nasa Danda Virajita.
Tara Kanti.
Tara Kanti. Tara Kanti.
Tiraskari.
Tiraskari. Tiraskari.
Nasa Bharana Bhasura.
Nasa Bharana Bhasura. Nasa Bharana Bhasura.
Tara Kanti Tiraskari Nasa Bharana Bhasura.
Tara Kanti Tiraskari Nasa Bharana Bhasura. Tara Kanti Tiraskari Nasa Bharana Bhasura.
Navachampaka Pushpabha Nasa Danda Virajita. Tara Kanti Tiraskari Nasa Bharana Bhasura.
Navachampaka Pushpabha Nasa Danda Virajita. Tara Kanti Tiraskari Nasa Bharana Bhasura. Navachampaka Pushpabha Nasa Danda Virajita. Tara Kanti Tiraskari Nasa Bharana Bhasura.
Uttama, we'll move to the next one. Here, Kadamba Manjari Klipta Karnapura Manohara. So, if you see here, Manjari Klipta Tatanka Yugali Bhuta, Bha is a Mahaprana. Tapanodupa, this is Alpa Pranada. Tapanodupa Mandala. So again, these are two names. The first line is first line, the first two padas actually. The first line is one name of Lalita Parameshwari, and again, second line is another name. So as I said earlier, while teaching, I'll split and teach, but while we chant, we have to chant this together. Kadamba Manjari.
Kadamba Manjari, Kadamba Manjari,
Kadamba Manjari Klupta.
Kadamba Manjari Klupta, Kadamba Manjari Klupta,
Karnapura Manohara.
Karnapura Manohara, Karnapura Manohara,
Kadamba Manjari Klupta Karnapura Manohara.
Kadamba Manjari Klupta Karnapura Manohara, Kadamba Manjari Klupta Karnapura Manohara,
Tatanka Yugali Bhuta.
Tatanka Yugali Bhuta, Tatanka Yugali Bhuta,
Tapanodupamandala.
Tapanodupamandala, Tapanodupamandala,
Tatanka Yugali Bhuta Tapanodupamandala.
Tatanka Yugali Bhuta Tapanodupamandala, Tatanka Yugali Bhuta Tapanodupamandala,
Kadamba Manjari Klupta Karnapura Manohara. Tatanka Yugali Bhuta Tapanodupamandala.
Kadamba Manjari Klupta Karnapura Manohara, Tatanka Yugali Bhuta Tapanodupamandala, Kadamba Manjari Klupta Karnapura Manohara, Tatanka Yugali Bhuta Tapanodupamandala.
Uttamam. In this 9th verse, Padma, the and ma here, Padma, Raga, Shila, Darsha, Paribhavi, Kapola, Bhuhu, Bha, Mahaprana, Bhuhu. Bha is a Mahaprana and Visarga also has to be chanted. Nava Vidruma, Bimbashri, Nyakari, Nava Vidruma, Bimbashri, Nyakari, Radanachada. First, the first one, if you see in this Radanachada, first you have the Alpa Prana Cha and then you have the Cha Mahaprana. Padma Raga Shila Darsha.
Padma Raga Shila Darsha, Padma Raga Shila Darsha,
Paribhavika Pola Bhuhu.
Paribhavika Pola Bhuhu, Paribhavika Pola Bhuhu,
Padma Raga Shila Darsha Paribhavika Pola Bhuhu.
Padma Raga Shila Darsha Paribhavika Pola Bhuhu, Padma Raga Shila Darsha Paribhavika Pola Bhuhu,
Nava Vidruma.
Nava Vidruma, Nava Vidruma,
बिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारिरदनच्छदा
बिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारिरदनच्छदा बिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारिरदनच्छदा
नवविद्रुमबिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारिरदनच्छदा
नवविद्रुमबिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारिरदनच्छदा नवविद्रुमबिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारिरदनच्छदा
पद्मरागशिलादर्शपरिभाविकपोलभूः नवविद्रुमबिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारिरदनच्छदा
पद्मरागशिलादर्शपरिभाविकपोलभूः नवविद्रुमबिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारिरदनच्छदा पद्मरागशिलादर्शपरिभाविकपोलभूः नवविद्रुमबिम्बश्रीन्यक्कारिरदनच्छदा.
The 10th verse. Shuddha. Here there is Alpa Pranada and then Mahapranada. Shuddha. Both has to be heard. Vidyankurakara. Vidya, the and ya is there. Shuddha Vidyankurakara Dvija. The and va Dvija. Pankti Dvayojjvala. Dva again the and va. And Jvala ja and va. Shuddha Vidyankurakara Dvija Pankti Dvayojjvala. Karpura Vitika Moda Samakarshi Digantara. So this is again two names. Shuddha Vidyankurakara.
Shuddha Vidyankurakara. Shuddha Vidyankurakara.
Dvija Pankti Dvayojjvala.
Dvija Pankti Dvayojjvala. Dvija Pankti Dvayojjvala.
Shuddha Vidyankurakara Dvija Pankti Dvayojjvala.
Shuddha Vidyankurakara Dvija Pankti Dvayojjvala. Shuddha Vidyankurakara Dvija Pankti Dvayojjvala.
So in this line you have all the Alpa Pranaksharas except for this Shakara, Sha. Karpura Vitika Moda.
Karpura Vitika Moda. Karpura Vitika Moda.
Samakarshi Digantara.
Samakarshi Digantara. Samakarshi Digantara.
Karpura Vitika Moda Samakarshi Digantara.
Karpura Vitika Moda Samakarshi Digantara. Karpura Vitika Moda Samakarshi Digantara.
Shuddha Vidyankurakara Dvija Pankti Dvayojjvala. Karpura Vitika Moda Samakarshi Digantara.
Shuddha Vidyankurakara Dvija Pankti Dvayojjvala. Karpura Vitika Moda Samakarshi Digantara. Shuddha Vidyankurakara Dvija Pankti Dvayojjvala. Karpura Vitika Moda Samakarshi Digantara.
11th verse. Nija Sanlapa Madhurya. Dha is a Mahaprana. Vinirbhartsita. So there is a refa, bha, and then you have a ta, and then sa. Vinirbhartsita. Bha is a Mahaprana. Kachhapi. Cha and cha. Cha and cha. Kachhapi. Mandasmita Prabhapura. Bha is a Mahaprana. Majjat Kamesha Manasa. Okay, again two names. Nija Sallapa Madhurya.
निज संलापमाधुर्य निज संलापमाधुर्य
Vinirbhartsita Kachhapi.
विनिर्भर्त्सितकच्छपि विनिर्भर्त्सितकच्छपि
Nija Sallapa Madhurya Vinirbhartsita Kachhapi.
निज संलापमाधुर्य विनिर्भर्त्सितकच्छपि निज संलापमाधुर्य विनिर्भर्त्सितकच्छपि
Mandasmita Prabhapura.
मन्दस्मितप्रभापूर मन्दस्मितप्रभापूर
Majjat Kamesha Manasa.
मज्जत्कामेशमानसा मज्जत्कामेशमानसा
Mandasmita Prabhapura Majjat Kamesha Manasa.
मन्दस्मितप्रभापूरमज्जत्कामेशमानसा मन्दस्मितप्रभापूरमज्जत्कामेशमानसा
Nija Sallapa Madhurya Vinirbhartsita Kachhapi. Mandasmita Prabhapura Majjat Kamesha Manasa.
निज सल्लापमाधुर्य विनिर्भर्त्सितकच्छपि मन्दस्मितप्रभापूरमज्जत्कामेशमानसा निज सल्लापमाधुर्य विनिर्भर्त्सितकच्छपि मन्दस्मितप्रभापूरमज्जत्कामेशमानसा
Uttamam. 12th verse. Anakalita Sadrishya. Dr. Sadrishya. Chibukashri Virajita. Kamesha Baddha. Here the and dha. So the Alpa Prana the and then dha is a Mahaprana. Mangalya Sutra. Sutra Shobhita. Bha is a Mahaprana. Kandhara. Again, after na there is this dha is a Mahaprana. Anakalita Sadrishya.
अनाकलितसादृश्य अनाकलितसादृश्य
Chibukashri Virajita.
चिबुकश्रीविराजिता चिबुकश्रीविराजिता
Anakalita Sadrishya Chibukashri Virajita.
अनाकलितसादृश्य चिबुकश्रीविराजिता अनाकलितसादृश्य चिबुकश्रीविराजिता
Kamesha Baddha.
कामेशबद्ध कामेशबद्ध
माङ्गल्यसूत्र
माङ्गल्यसूत्र माङ्गल्यसूत्र
शोभितकन्धरा
शोभितकन्धरा शोभितकन्धरा
कामेशबद्धमाङ्गल्यसूत्र शोभितकन्धरा
कामेशबद्धमाङ्गल्यसूत्र शोभितकन्धरा कामेशबद्धमाङ्गल्यसूत्र शोभितकन्धरा
अनाकलितसादृश्यचिबुकश्रीविराजिता कामेशबद्धमाङ्गल्यसूत्र शोभितकन्धरा
अनाकलितसादृश्यचिबुकश्रीविराजिता कामेशबद्धमाङ्गल्यसूत्र शोभितकन्धरा अनाकलितसादृश्यचिबुकश्रीविराजिता कामेशबद्धमाङ्गल्यसूत्र शोभितकन्धरा
उत्तमम् 13th was Kanakangada Keyura Kamaniya Bhujanvita. Bhu is a bha is a mahaprana here. Kanakangada Keyura Kamaniya Bhujanvita. Ratna ta anna Ratna Graiveya Ratna Graiveya Chinta Kalola Mukta ka anta Mukta Phalanvita. Pha is a mahaprana. Kanakangada Keyura
Kanakangada Keyura Kanakangada Keyura
Kamaniya Bhujanvita
Kamaniya Bhujanvita Kamaniya Bhujanvita
Kanakangada Keyura Kamaniya Bhujanvita
Kanakangada Keyura Kamaniya Bhujanvita Kanakangada Keyura Kamaniya Bhujanvita
Ratnagraiveya
Ratnagraiveya Ratnagraiveya
Chintakalola
Chintakalola Chintakalola
Mukta Phalanvita
Mukta Phalanvita Mukta Phalanvita
Ratnagraiveya Chintakalola Mukta Phalanvita
Ratnagraiveya Chintakalola Mukta Phalanvita Ratnagraiveya Chintakalola Mukta Phalanvita
Kanakangada Keyura Kamaniya Bhujanvita Ratnagraiveya Chintakalola Mukta Phalanvita
Kanakangada Keyura Kamaniya Bhujanvita Ratnagraiveya Chintakalola Mukta Phalanvita Kanakangada Keyura Kamaniya Bhujanvita Ratnagraiveya Chintakalola Mukta Phalanvita
Kalola Mukta
रत्नग्रैवेय चिन्ताकलोलमुक्ता फलान्विता
कामेश्वर श अन्व कामेश्वर प्रेमरत्न कामेश्वर प्रेमरत्न मणिप्रतिपणस्तनी मणिप्रतिपणस्तनी नाभ्यालवाल भ is a mahaprana here नाभ्यालवाल रोमाली लता phala kuchadvayi pha is a mahaprana and here kuchadvayi the and va alpa pranada kuchadvayi कामेश्वर प्रेमरत्न
कामेश्वर प्रेमरत्न कामेश्वर प्रेमरत्न
मणिप्रतिपणस्तनी
मणिप्रतिपणस्तनी मणिप्रतिपणस्तनी
कामेश्वर प्रेमरत्न मणिप्रतिपणस्तनी
कामेश्वर प्रेमरत्न मणिप्रतिपणस्तनी कामेश्वर प्रेमरत्न मणिप्रतिपणस्तनी
नाभ्यालवाल रोमाली
नाभ्यालवालि रोमालि नाभ्यालवाल रोमालि
लता फलकुचद्वयी
लता फलकुचद्वयी लता फलकुचद्वयी
नाभ्यालवाल रोमाली लता फलकुचद्वयी
नाभ्यालवाल रोमालि लता फलकुचद्वयी नाभ्यालवाल रोमालि लता फलकुचद्वयी
कामेश्वर प्रेमरत्न मणिप्रतिपणस्तनी नाभ्यालवाल रोमाली लता फलकुचद्वयी
कामेश्वर प्रेमरत्न मणिप्रतिपणस्तनी नाभ्यालवाल रोमालि लता फलकुचद्वयी कामेश्वर प्रेमरत्न मणिप्रतिपणस्तनी नाभ्यालवाल रोमालि लता फलकुचद्वयी
धन्यवादाः Vibha and Prithvi. So I request the attendees to raise their hands for who are interested to chant. So before that, there were a lot of mails and questions regarding the course content, and some of you have written saying that you are not able to access the YouTube recording and you are not able to get the course material. See, YouTube recording is available in the sanskritfromhome.in YouTube channel, and you can subscribe to that, so you will get all the alerts. So it is already uploaded. Yesterday's class recording is already available, and the course content is also available on the Sanskrit from Home course page. You have to log into sanskritfromhome.in portal, and once you log in, if you go to the course page of Shri Lalita Sahasranama, there you will find the script also, and you will also find the recording as well as whatever the pronunciation tips that was used yesterday. So many of you have asked for that, so it is available on the course page. Please check that again. It is uploaded today afternoon, I guess. So in case if you're still not able to find it, please let us know so that we can help you out on that. And some of you has mentioned that in the first the Dhyana Shloka, it is not Sindhu Raruna. There is no Mahaprana there. It is actually Sindhu Raruna only. It is in the Dhyana Shloka. It is not Sindhu. It is, this is a doubt which was asked by a couple of you, so I'm highlighting. In the Dhyana Shloka, it is Sindhu Raruna. The is a Mahaprana over there. Okay. So I will call out the names of those who have raised your hands as I see here for chanting purpose. Within the time available, how many ever people can chant, we can do that. We will start from the first Dhyana Shloka itself. Shobha Bhagini, I have unmuted you. You are on self-mute. You can unmute yourself. Shobha Bhagini. Okay, let me call. Shubha. Shubha.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram. Can you chant the Dhyana Shloka?
Sure, Bhagini. Dhyanam Sindhuraruna Trinayanam Manikya Taranayaka Shekaram Smitamukhi Mapina Vakshoruham Panibhyamalipurnaratnachashakam Raktotpalam Bibhatim Saumyam Ratnaghathastharaktacharanam Dhyayet Paramambikam.
So here, Sindhuraruna Vigrahan Trinayanam. So it is okay if you chant Vigraham also, and if you're taking a pause after this. If you're chanting continuously, please remember after the Anuswara, Vigraham, there is an Anuswara. So, and there is a Tavarga. So we'll chant this as Sindhuraruna Vigrahan Trinayanam. Okay. Then Spurat, Pha, okay, Pha. Then Taranayaka Shekaram, Mahaprana Kha. Mukhi, again Kha is a Mahaprana. Panibhya, Bha. And here Ratna Chashakam Sha. This I think you chanted correctly. And in this fourth line, I mean the last pada, you chanted the Mahapranas. Would you like to try again?
Yes, Bhagini. Sindhuraruna Trinayanam Manikya Taranayaka Shekaram Smitamukhi Mapina Vakshoruham Panibhyamalipurnaratnachashakam Raktotpalam Bibhatim Saumyam Ratnaghathastharaktacharanam Dhyayet Paramambikam.
Uttamam. Raga, I've unmuted you. Can you chant the first verse?
Hari Om Bhagini.
Hari Om.
Om Shri Mata Shri Maharagni Shrimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagni Kunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata.
Here the first word, Shamyatam. Shri Mata, the Mata Dirgha is there, okay? Shri Mata, otherwise it was okay. And Devakarya Samudyata. Can you just repeat the first pada?
Shri Mata Shri Maharagni.
1 minute. Shri Mata Shri Maharagni. Mata Dirgha. Shri Mata Shri Maharagni.
Shri Mata Shri Maharagni Shrimat Simhasaneshwari Chidagnikunda Sambhuta Devakarya Samudyata.
Devakarya Samudyata.
Devakarya Samudyata.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. Bindu. I have unmuted you, Bindu Bhagini.
हरि ओम भगिनी.
हरि ओम.
Again I am chanting. Udyadbhanusahasrabha Chadurbahu Samanvita Ragaswarupa Pashathya Krodhakarankushojvala.
Okay. The tune is different, the pronunciation was correct. Dhanyavadaha Bhagini. Preeti, I have unmuted you.
Hari Om Bhagini.
Hari Om.
मनोरूपेक्षु कोदण्डा पञ्चतन्मात्रसायका निजारुणप्रभापूरा मज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला.
Okay. The second line is actually one name. We should not take a pause in between here. We should try to chant it in one breath only. Like Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjad Brahmanda Mandala. We should not stop anywhere in this second line of this verse. Can you try the second line?
निजारुणप्रभापूरा मज्जद्ब्रह्माण्डमण्डला.
Uttamam. Correct. Dhanyavadaha. AP Shastri Mahodaya.
Okay, now.
Can you try the fourth verse?
Yes, ma'am. Champakashoka punnaga saugandhikalasatkacha Kuruvindamanishvreni kanatkotiramandita.
What is your name? What is your name?
Ma'am, my name is Lopamudra, ma'am.
Lopamudra, very nice name. Lopamudra, see, this is actually one name of Lalita Devi, okay? So we should not stop in between. We should not take a pause in between here. Same in the second line. We should not stop anywhere in between. So we have to chant this whole line together. Champaka shoka punnaga saugandhikala satkacha Kuru Vindamani Shreni Kanat Kotira Mandita. So you can take a pause after the first line and then you can chant the second line, but not in between. Okay? Can you try now, Lopamudra?
Yes.
Yeah.
Champakashoka punnaga saugandhikalasatkacha Kuruvindamanishvreni kanatkotiramandita.
Saugandhi, dha is a Mahaprana, and Kuruvinda Manishreni, Dirgha, okay? Manishreni. Dhanyavadaha.
Ma'am, my brother is also there, ma'am.
Okay, he also wants to chant?
Yes, yes.
Okay, let him try the same verse.
Okay, ma'am. Champakashoka punnaga saugandhikalasatkacha Kuruvindamanishvreni kanatkotiramandita.
Second line I will teach once. Both of you chant together, okay? Kuruvindamanishvreni kanatkotiramandita. Shreni, Dirgha, okay? Please chant.
Kuruvindamanishvreni kanatkotiramandita. Kuruvindamanishvreni kanatkotiramandita.
Uttamam. Dhanyavadaha. We have 2 more minutes. Shankara Narayanan Mahodaya. Shankara Narayanan Mahodaya, I've unmuted you.
Ram Bhagini.
Ram. Would you like to try this verse?
Ashtami Chandra Vibraja Talikastala Shobhita मुखचन्द्रकलङ्गाभमृगनाभिविशेषका.
So like I was telling earlier, I know it is difficult to suddenly to put it into practice. Unlike the other shlokas where we have, like the Anushtup Chandas, we have 8 letters in the first pada which we chant, and then we take a pause, and then we chant the second pada, third pada, and again take a pause and fourth pada. But in this, in many of the shlokas, at least till up to 35th verse of Lalita Sahasranama, we have long names of Devi. So this entire line, you see, this is one name and second line is one name. So we should not break the name. I should be chanting the entire name together. We should not take a pause in between. Okay, and this is Sha, and this is Mahaprana Bha, Tha, Bha again, Kha, Bha, and Bha. And again we have here Visheshaka. First one is Shankara Shiva Sha. Second one is Shanmukha Sha. Shall I teach you once? Will you repeat, Mahodaya?
अस्तु भगिनि.
अष्टमी चन्द्र विभ्राजदलिकस्थल शोभिता.
अष्टमी चन्द्र विभ्राजदलिकस्थल शोभिता.
Continue.
अष्टमी चन्द्र विभ्राजदलिकस्थल शोभिता.
मुखचन्द्रकलङ्काभमृगनाभिविशेषका.
मुखचन्द्रकलङ्काभमृगनाभिविशेषका. मुखचन्द्रकलङ्काभमृगनाभिविशेषका.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादः महोदय.
धन्यवादः.
Okay, one last person for the day. Satya Lakshmi, I have unmuted you. Can you try this, Vadanasmara?
मांगल्य गृहतोरण चिल्लिका वक्त्रलक्ष्मी परिवाह चलन्नीनाभलोचना.
उत्तमं. धन्यवादाः.
धन्यवादः.
Okay, so we'll stop here today. We'll do the Mangalam and then close the class. Some of you were asking for the mail ID. My mail ID is sandhya.vyoma@gmail.com. sandhya.vyoma@gmail.com. So we'll do the Mangalam. सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके देवी नारायणि नमोस्तुते. Dhanyavadaha. Thank you to all the participants and the panelists. We will meet tomorrow at the same time. Dhanyavadaha.